Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra, popularly known as Techish. If you're seeing my page for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So today is January 1st, 2023. Okay, it's a new year. First of all, I'm wishing you guys a very happy new year and a prosperous new year to everybody. I wish you guys success, everything you want to accomplish. I pray and I hope that you're going to accomplish everything you want to, and God will come through for you in the best possible way this year. Everything you prayed for last year, which you didn't achieve, I hope that this year is going to be different. So basically today I'm cooking oh god, I'm cooking some sweet delicacies, some sweet things. So I'm on my way to the market. Yes, so come along with me. Thank you. I'll take you mais là il sing ça prend là-bas. Oui, mais l'oignon 150. Mais voilà, c'est le tout, c'est combien? Ok. Charbon 2000. Pardon, mais bien. Qui est bien ou qui pimenté là? Oh, pour me bébé là, une bébé ne dit hot so avec. Condiment vert, green pepper 100.
A few moments later.
Red oil, water fufu, raw meat, crayfish, water leaf, arrow leaves, roasted fish spices, because I'm going to be roasting fish too. So this is the fish here, roasted fish and some other spices. I have to clean them. Then this is bobolo, what we're going to eat the fish with. So, the day is about to start. I just came back from the market. So, like I earlier said, I was going to cook some sweet delicacies, and Euro actually was one of the things I was cooking on this day. So, I had already prepared my ingredients. Euro is more like afang soup, like Nigerians call it. Yeah, they cook it basically almost the same way, but it's not really the same way. So I already prepared my ingredients. Basically, I love cooking outdoor. I love cooking outdoor because it gives me the ability to cook very well, to a lot of things. So I already prepared my ingredients. The first step, first of all, I already boiled my meat. I put my meat and my kanda, that's what Nigerians call pomo. I already put in the pot. Then later on, I added the water leaf. Then I had to stir because the food is quite much. So I had to leave the water leaf to become quite soft for a while. Then now I waited for a while. Then I added the arrow leaves. Normally, it's always advisable to wait for the water leaf to really cook, like really become soft before you add the arrow leaves. Then I added the arrow leaves. I had to stir. You know, when you're cooking like outdoor and you're cooking food like for many people, this kind of quantity, you really need to have a lot of strength to be able to stir the food. Yeah. So I had to stir and stir and stir. Basically, I love stirring food, first of all. And that's me. That's just my own way. I love stirring food. My mom always complains about that. So I had to stir the arrow. So the arrow and the water leaf actually should mix up together. So I stirred and stirred for a while. The next thing was that I had to wait for the I really had to wait for the leaves, like the arrow leaves, to incorporate with the water leaf. Like, yeah, they had to mix up together. Then I added my salt, I added the seasoning cubes later on. Though it's not really advisable to eat too much seasoning cubes, like a lot of Maggi, but what can one do? We just have to do that. So later on, I added my oil. Basically, they don't really put water in the arrow. You don't put water in arrow. You have to. What really cooks the arrow actually is oil, like red oil. So I added like 1.5 liter red oil because the arrow was really much. Was really much. Then later after adding my oil, I had to stir for a while. Then I also added pepper, like sweet pepper. I love pepperish food. I really love. I cannot eat food without pepper. It doesn't go. Cameroon pepper must always be present. Yeah, hot Cameroon pepper. That added more oil. Added more oil. Added more oil because actually oil. I actually cooks arrow. That's what actually cooks the arrow. If you really want your arrow to cook, I must say you should carry all the oil in your house and put it there. Later on, I really added my crayfish. Yeah, I added my because I really blended the crayfish. I always blend my crayfish. I don't put it on the mortar and heat it because I don't have strength for that. Seriously. So at this point, there was a little bit of water from the meat, so I had to wait for a while for it to get dry. So I had to stir and stir and stir and waited for a while for it to get dry. Later on, this is what we had as the thing was getting dry, the arrow was getting dry and all that. I love when my arrow burns like that. You get that burning scent. Oh god, so sweet. Another secret to arrow is that those of you who love cooking green, who say you like green arrow, if you don't want your arrow to become black, do not cover the pot when you're cooking the arrow. Do not cover the pot. Always leave the pot open. Always leave the pot open, then leave it for a while to really get dry. Then in addition to that, I don't really love soft arrow. Yeah, okay, we always eat arrow water fufu. So at this point, I was cooking the water fufu. I was stirring. I was cooking. I was turning the water fufu. You need strength, oh God, to cook water fufu. You need to have the kongum strength. Yeah, and that's what I was actually doing. Yeah. Doki Raisa. Et confiance. Hi guys, I just finished cooking. I'm really exhausted for real. I wish I could just sleep, but it's very unfortunate. I have so many things to do. My elder sister just came around with her children, my nieces, so I have some things to do. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Say please subscribe
Please subscribe
to my auntie
to my
this
auntie
channel.
channel.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Hello. Hello. Say hello. Meet my elder sister. Okay, we say hello.
Hello.
Fortune, say hello. Say please subscribe.
Please subscribe, share, like.
Yeah. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Voilà. Julia, say hello.
Hello.
Daniel, say hello.
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 Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Say please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We had a nice family time. As you can see, the house was very full. Like there were so many people and bags everywhere because my parents actually were traveling on New Year's Day. So
A few
after everything, we
moments
headed
later.
to the airport. Something happened that day. So my parents actually had already gone ahead. Then I was supposed to come with my sister and my younger brothers. So we're on our way to the airport at this point. However, I wasn't really happy like that because we waited for the car to come pick us up. It wasted a lot of time, took a lot of time, it took a lot of time. But anyways, at the end of the day, the most important thing is that we got to our destination safely. On arriving at the airport, my parents were already inside the airport. They were already in the airport. There was no way for them to come back and meet us. And in Cameroon, you don't enter the airport. That's the rule. So I was waiting. In fact, we were waiting with the hope that my parents would come out. Oh God, waited. Unfortunately, my mom did not come. They didn't come out. So they were already inside. They already done the checkup, everything. So basically, I was waiting with hopes, but it is what it is. Anyways, at the end of the day, we had a nice time, and the day ended so well.